Assembling the WB0240R Alone Zone. First, place the left side panel on the floor with the interior facing up. Identify the top divider, which is finished on both exterior edges and is wider than the two top shelves that it divides. Insert the divider into the dowel holes as shown. Next, the back top shelf is finished on both exterior edges, and the underside has a groove that aligns with the groove in the side panel. Insert the back top shelf into the dowels in the side panel as shown. The front panel top shelf is finished on both exterior edges but does not have a groove on the underside. Insert the front top shelf into the dowel holes on the side panel above the yellow portal window as shown. Next, the three back shelves each have a finished edge that faces out when attached to the side panel, and the unfinished edge with the screw hole faces toward the interior. The bottom stretcher inserts into two dowel holes located at the bottom of the side panel. Attach the stretcher so the two screw holes face toward the back of the cabinet as shown. The seat bottom has the label on the underside and faces down when attached to the side panel. The top of the seat panel has two Velcro strips that face up. Next, the backboard has three screw holes in a line down the center, and two screw holes near the bottom edge that align with the bottom stretcher. Insert the backboard into the curved groove until fully seated and check that all screw holes align properly. Insert the three screws into the center backboard and the two screws in the bottom stretcher will be installed after the right side panel is attached in the next step. Then, tighten all screws. Carefully position the right side panel with the groove over the center backboard and all dowels and dowel holes properly aligned. Attach the dowels by gently tapping with a soft rubber mallet. Then install all 50mm conformat screws, but do not tighten fully yet. Carefully stand up the cabinet. Then, attach the 50mm conformat screws in the left side panel. The seat back has a finished edge nearest to the top Velcro strip that faces up and attaches by two screws through the exterior of each side panel into each end of the seat back. Attach the seat bottom cushion with stitched edge facing forward, the cabinet interior, then attach the seat back cushion with the stitched edge facing toward the cabinet bottom. Thank you for purchasing a Whitney Brothers product.